see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Nakaligo na pala ako guys, and yung boys tulog. So punta ko dun sa beach pa para pick up ko si Rolly para mag-ready na rin siya kasi mamaya mag-dinner kami. Tapos ko nang ayusin yung mga gamit bago pa ako matapos. Nakatulog na silang tatlo. Alright guys, see you later.
So guys, I just had a shower and this is my outfit. It's really cute. I'm wearing shorts underneath it, and then I'm wearing my sandals with it, and I'm just doing my hair right now, and we're going out for tea with everybody, and I just finished washing my hair. And this is the perfume I'm going to be using, guys, but not yet. It's the Zara Gardner Zara Bloom. It's from Zara, and it smells so good. It's like sweet. Okay, I'm going to get into my hair because, yeah. And after that, I'm going to add some purple because my lips are kind of sunburnt and dry. So let's just get into my hair. It's going to be easy because my hair is kind of wet. So, and yes guys, I do my own hair every single day when I want it. But only for comps my mum does my hair because it needs to look perfect. And guys, this is my first day here, and I'm having so much fun. And tomorrow we're also going to the beach and have some fun. I went to the pool, I went boogie boarding, and it was really fun. And Sophie was, because like the beach, like those big waves, so Sophie was holding my hand because I was a bit scared I was going to get washed away. So Sophie just held me, so I wasn't scared. And then after that, the waves, the tide went a bit like not as bad, so that's when I went boogie boarding, and it was like such a fun day. And we're finishing off with dinner with my friends and other people's friends. I'm just getting this extra water off my hair. Okay, now my next step is just to add like the tiniest, like tiny. When I say tiny, I mean tiny. Like just
Diba siya na nagbablog?
that much, because guys, I don't need that much. That was too much. Do you want some? Okay. This is how much. Because guys, if I can't use this like every day. So if I use this every day, my hair can fall out. And then guys, at the end, I add this anti-fly away gel duo, and it's actually so good. It's like doesn't make your hair like hard. It just makes it like stick there. So now what I do is just this. I'm kind of doing a slip back tutorial.
Baba, you know what? You know what? It's wet. Don't.
Well, I don't want it down. And I just put stuff in it.
No, it's alright. Just leave it. Let it breathe, Baba.
No, because I haven't tied it before.
It's wet. It's tying the hair, honey. It shouldn't be. No, that is. It's alright. It's not alright.
It's okay, darling.
It's
Let
not.
it be, please. She's having fun, and you just.
I know, but it's wet.
It'll
It
dry in
shouldn't.
about 2 seconds.
Later na lang.
Look how beautiful she looks.
I know.
Just leave her. She's alright. I love
Oh
it.
my God. Yeah,
Let's leave
etong
that,
dalawa.
babe. My hair's always wet. My hair's still wet.
Look at you don't have hair anymore.
Oh, yes, it does.
No, look good, babe. Like a surfy chick.
Whatever.
I might walk with you tonight, and then you look alright.
Yeah, whatever. Like, go.
See, look, you still can't, like, I'm smelling good, and I'm, see, look, all good.
Alright, okay, alright. Come on.
Look at that beautiful thing you are. Got you my bang on, Bubsy?
Okay,
Good day, Woods.
that's Dino.
Who's that?
Din.
Who knows we're here? That's bloody someone else knocking.
Oh. No? Oh. Bro. Alright guys, we'll see you later.
Okay, now guys,
I'm going soon.
and now I'm gonna put my pawpaw because my lips are really dried and sunburned. So this is the pawpaw I'm using. So I'm just gonna add about that much. Oh, just a little bit more. About just a little at the top. Yeah, they're really sunburned, guys. I was swimming all day as soon as I got here. Okay, and to finish it off, hold on, guys. I'll be back. I have my bag, and I'm gonna see what was. I think. No, I think the black one. I think the black one suits it better. Okay, so put it on there. Okay, bag is good. Okay, final is some perfume. So that was not my neck. Okay, we'll try that again. And some on my hair. Oh, and some on my wrist. And yes, guys, I'm okay. Didn't really get in my eye. Okay. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put my shoes on. And yeah, see you later. Bye.
You're all good. You're good, you're good. Okay, alis na tayo. Yes, I do. Wow! Nag-book na kami ng taxi. Wow, si Dino. Yung nag-pick up sa amin. Ayan yung boys. Ang aking dalaga. Oh. Approve kay daddy ang kanyang buhok. Ayoko siyang nagtataling basa. Thank you, thank you. Dito kayo magdi-dinner. Kumain na kayo dito before. Not last. 2025. The same spot. Ito rin yung spot namin last time. So dito tayo guys,
Lemonade.
nag-order na kami ng drinks at saka entree na Hawaiian pizza kasi may hinihintay pa kami so hindi pa kami makapag-order na main. Wala na akong boses. Nasakit na ng ulo.
A rice, see that some of them have
Rice?
rice and potato and all that like a
Potato?
yeah, well, it's really look good.
So yeah, hinihintay pa namin iba namin kasama kaso ako gusto ko nang kumain. Nasakit na ng ulo ko. Wala pa akong tulog guys. Yung mata ko para na siyang may buhangin. Let's say Holly. Mahaba kami ngayon guys, ang dami namin. Andun yung boys. Hinihintay namin sila Kylie, family ni Kylie, tapos yung friend ni Holly, yung kadance niya. Yung family nun. So, apat din yung plus 3. So, may 7 pa kami. 7 pa kami. Yes. 7 pa hinihintay namin na kasama. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna get one surf and turf. May order ko steak. Masarap kasi dito. Galing na kami dito last
Oh, 10
2 years
Normally good too, I think.
2025. Oh, they have baby back ribs. Oh, my baby back ribs. Baby back ribs na lang kaya ako. What are you having? Saxon steak. Yeah. This one is serpent door. Okay. Serpent door. Here.
Because it's 10 long. Like, that's just blurry to me.
Yan, hindi nakabasa. Kaya ko pa itong basa. Kuya, what are you having? Pasta, yeah, good pasta. You just had pasta. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I thought I did before.
Sorry. Yeah, get pasta here. Pasta is good. Yeah, that's good.
So, here we go.
Mag-pasta si Kuya.
There.
What are you gonna serpent door? Serpent door?
Nah, I don't reckon. What other gravies is that?
Sobrang traffic papunta namin. Daming bus. As in, malala pa sa final. I know, halos pareho lang kasi yung whole to whole. Tapos sila kanin na traffic pa. Mango? Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, are you
Here's another burger from me.
You wanna try?
Take zero.
Banana.
Who had Coke Zero?
The girl will have it.
Good.
That's good.
Yeah.
So body. Thank you.
Have you tried that? Yeah. Sarap. Sarap ng mango shake. Kaya wala rin masarap din yung banana shake. You want?
Those smoothies. That was sick. Holly's wicked.
The banana is really like banana.
Who's that one?
What's that one?
You didn't want.
I didn't ask the Coke. I asked the Coca-Cola.
What's this
that?
one? I can have that Coke Zero.
Just zero.
I can have it. I can have this one.
That's normal Coke, sorry. That was Coke Zero, and the girl said,
Geez, that was quick.
yeah, Michelle.
Kuya tayo kayo. Pag natapos niya yung drink niya, kuha siya ng mango. Dito na sila. Always waiting for her, Michelle. Ganun ni Sophie. Sophie, say hi to my So, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hi guys. They miss you. Hi Joey. Lasing si Joe. Lasing na si Joe.
An hour.
Hey, I'm here for a good time. Not a long time.
What are you going to eat tonight, Red?
Oi, where's the glasses, mate?
Let's go for you.
Alright.
Lasing na to si Jo.
Oi, I'm Chona's friend.
Yes.
It's my friend. We just got a scooter here.
Well, I'm done, babe.
Have you ordered? I don't even need to eat.
Hi, girl. Hi. Henry wanted to go home to bed. I'm so tired, yeah. He can't hack it. I'm so tired. I said that. I have no sleep. You like my mango? Nag-order kaming entree. Ayan na. Kasi akala namin matagal pa sila kay
I'll give you some more steak.
Okay.
No, it's fine. I can give you some more steak.
No, it's fine. I have pork. I have pork. This is entree. This is entree now. We can have some. Bring some to the boy. Kuya Tiger.
Otherwise, I'm happy to come over and visit. You'll come to the north.
Thanks, Mum.
Alright, then.
Yung order ni Holly are carbonara. And si Maya, same. Zach is having...
You want to try?
No, I'm good now. Thank you. Steak.
Same as Mum's drink.
Banana milkshake.
No, it's yours.
Mango. Not yet.
Oh, you did it.
We haven't eaten.
I haven't even tried it yet.
Nice. And kay Jen steak. As always. Wala pa yung ribs ko. So ito yung order ko, yung pork ribs. Originally, ang kasama niya dapat ay mashed potato, pero pinapalitan ko ng rice. Tapos nagpada ko ng chopped chili. And may veggies din sa side. So,
Eddie was saucy when I left him. I got Eddie phone up. Anyway.
kain tayo.
Sam's kind of right too. I'll put a steak in. I know, I want to come that steak. Cold drinks, every time you walk past him, find the cold drinks. I didn't need to plan it, mate. I'm going to sit there and start playing cards. My heart.
Oh, so tender.
That's beer. And then it just started and I thought, fuck. Good pick. I looked at what they sitting over the old, playing cards. They just sleep tonight there. I know what, I've got a beer drink today, but like they tasted alright tonight. You get to a point though when you can't drink it anymore. It's like time to change to something else.
Last time I in-order ko ito. This is what I ordered before, ba? Kalimutan ko na. So good.
I wouldn't stop damage. I was trying to
malaki.
get the size. I wasn't getting the size where it was going up. But I went
Busog na ako, guys. Naglalaro yung, nanonood sila ng footy. Kahit nandito tayo sa Bali, nanonood pa rin sila ng footy. Ayan, busog na ako. Yung Russian lang yung nakuha ko, tapos si Sak nagsubo rin siya. So parang isa o dalawang subo lang ako nito. Nag-focus ako dito sa salad ni Jan tsaka ni Sak. Ayan. Kasi hindi nila kinain, tapos yung akin, yung veggies dito. But I'm full, I'm good. Thank you, Lord. Nakalimutan kong i-film yung kay Kuya. You had pasta, right? Yeah? Was it good? Gustong-gusto niya yung pasta. What? Yours? Kasi nagluto si Kuya sa school ng pesto. So every time, like pinagawa niya ako ng pesto, sabi niya sa akin, mas masarap daw yung akin. Tapos ngayon, dito naman, mas masarap yung pesto dito. Yung sa kanya daw hindi. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. And eto, maglalakad kayo pa uwi instead na mag-taxi para ma-burn namin yung calories. And etong dalawa, hindi nagsasawa sa isa't isa. Nakikita na sila sa school pero hindi sila magka-klase. Kasi si Maya is 1 year younger than Holly. Mas matanda si Holly ng 1 taon. Tapos nakikita rin sila sa training. Kasi yung training nito ni Maya is after ni Holly. So nakikita sila doon. Tapos may sa game din nakikita sila. Then yeah, lagi sila nakikita. Tapos sa dance class magka-dance group sila. Oh, it's not here, Kylie. Hi, sorry. Yeah, this is the lady boss. Gusto namin makita yung lady boy. Kaso wala. Yeah, but no. Gustong tumingin ng mga wait. Okay. Thank you. Gusto tumingin ng mga bata na ang sort clothes. Years ago, nag-shopping dito sila dyan. Yung mga bata din. Init na init ng lahat. Etong suit ko, dito ko to nabili. Meron yun na print sa likod.
Do you want to try on?
Anything for you, Kuya? Antok na talaga ako. Nilalapanan ko lang. Tapos mang init ng nila ng shop. Walang aircon. Start off.
What if Dad wants anything?
Eto, paikot-ikot lang. Tingnan nyo yung tan line ni Holly. Oh.
Is there a watch?
Init na siya. Baba, show me your face, baby. No, diba? Red na red. You see anything, yeah? No? Si Holly, may gusto siya ipakita sa daddy.
What's your
No, it doesn't fit me anymore.
Which one?
There you go.
No, it doesn't fit me.
Where's
No. Oh, no. Daddy's girl.
There's a good shop, this one, isn't
It is.
Yeah. Ang gandang shop to kasi madaming choices. There's a lot of choices. Boys, girls, men, women's.
You got here. You got it.
Yeah, we got some.
Where's the
Gusto
where's the
niya.
girl?
This one.
But no rib curl.
No, this
That pink one is good. Babe, that one, the crop top.
This one.
No, that one, the crop top one. Niloloko si Kuya kasi yung boss ni Kuya nga na ano na ba, lumalagong na. What is Kuyang shorts? What size, Baba? 10? Yeah, that's your size. Yes, that's the one. Thick, no? Is it thick? Turn around, Baba.
So beautiful.
Turn around, Baba. Yeah.
Try one, no.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh no, look at the print of the shorts and then the it matches. No, that's size 10. That's
Is it alright?
yeah. Try niya yung mas bigger size. I like the other one. That one is alright. That one na lang. Turn around. It's too big, babe. Look at the shoulder. This one, that's the size 10. Yeah. Can I see the side? Yeah, that's alright. That's good. Oh, this one, the blue one, huh? Here, babe. The blue one here. Yeah. There's. Ah, nice. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'll get that one. Yes.